morning, Mrs. Jones.
Hi.
My name is Lisa. I'll be your CNA today.
Okay.
I'm going to assist you into the wheelchair, okay?
All right.
All right, first I'm going to give us some privacy. I'm going to wash my hands. And then if you will, I'll have you scoot forward a little bit so your feet are both on the floor. Good. I'll get your shoes ready, and if you can put your shoes on for me.
Okay.
Okay. And then this foot. Good. All right. Now move our wheelchair over here in place. Lock the wheels. And before you stand up, and make sure the wheels are locked on the bed. Good. All right. I'm going to put a gait belt around you to help you stand, okay?
Okay.
Around your back and under your arms. Make sure our gait belt's not touching your skin anywhere on the back. Okay. I'm gonna tighten that up just a little bit. Okay. So what I'll have you do is on 3, we'll stand together. I'll have you push up off the bed, okay? We'll pivot and get to the wheelchair. I want the wheelchair to be on the back of your legs.
Okay.
You can reach back, and when we start lowering enough, you can grab on the rails to help you sit down, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna get my feet between yours for balance.
Okay.
All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. And I'll have you pivot. Can you feel the wheelchair?
Yes.
Good. And on 3, we'll sit. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Are your hips at the back of the chair?
Yes.
Just gonna check. Remove your gait belt. I'll have you sit forward just a little bit. Okay. And unlock your wheels and get your pedals out. You get your foot on this pedal. You get your foot on this one. Push you back just a little bit. Lock your wheels. Give you your call light. Let us know if you
Thank
need
you.
anything, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Remove the privacy. Wash my hands. Skill is complete.